Can we recover a permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days? In today's video, I'm going to answer a common question: how to recover a permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. If you've deleted your account by mistake or changed your mind, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, so let's jump into it. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand Instagram's account deletion policy. When you delete your account, Instagram gives you 30 days to recover it before they permanently remove it from the platform. So you cannot be able to recover it after 30 days, but I'm going to be showing you one way which might help you. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and simply go to instagram.com/support and click on Go. Now here, simply tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From there, manage your account and click on signing up and get started. Now scroll down until you see No and tap on Other. Here, what you need to do is simply explain your problem. Just explain all the details that happened to you or occurred to you, and once you've done that, simply provide your username and email address as well. Once you've done that, simply tap on Submit. Once you've done that, Instagram will review your report and it will simply recover your account within 24 to 48 hours. So that's it for today's video. If you're still within the 30-day window, you can easily recover your account. Otherwise, you can simply use this method.